Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn what is time and how we read and write time. So let's learn. Measures of time. Every clock has two thick needles and one thin needle. This known as the hands of the clock. The shorter one indicates the hour and is called the hour's hand. The longer one indicates the minute and is called the minute's hand. And the thin one is called as second hands. Children, if you look carefully, there are 12 big divisions marked on the clock. Children, आप लोग ने क्लॉक देखी होगी, उसमें 1 से लेके 12 तक नंबर्स होते हैं. Each big division has 5 small divisions. हर बिग डिवीज़न के बीच में 5 स्मॉल डिवीज़न होते हैं. जैसे अगर आपका मिनट हैंड 12 पर है तो 12 से 1 तक आने में उसे 5 मिनट्स लगेंगे. 1 से 2 तक आने में उसे 5 मिनट्स लगेंगे. वैसे ही 2 से 3 तक आने में उसे 5 मिनट्स लगेंगे. सो हियर वी रीड द टेबल ऑफ 5. सो देयर आर 12 into 5 is equal to 60 small division, or we can say that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now look at this clock. See here, the hour hand is at 4 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 4 o'clock. Now children, look at this clock. Here the hour hand is at 11 and the minute hand is at the 5th division from the clock. So the time is 11 hours and 5 minutes. Now see the next clock. Here time in seconds. See here the hour hand is at 1 and see minute hand is at 3 and second hand is at 7. So we read this time as 1 hour, 15 minutes and 35 seconds. Now reading time. We just learned there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. This means that there are 30 minutes in an half an hour. Children, when the time is given in half hours, the minute hand is at 6. So look at this clock. Here the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is at middle of 3 and 4. So we read this time as 3:30 or 3:30. Now we will learn how to read and write the quarter past and quarter to time. Let's begin with quarter past. Children, when the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is a little after 10, we say that the time is quarter past 10 or 10 hours 15 minutes. Now see one more clock. See here, in this clock is showing a different time. Now here also the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is a little after 2. So we say that the time is quarter past 2 or 2:15. Now let's learn quarter to. See here, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is a little before 10. So we read this time as quarter to 10 or 9 hours 45 minutes. Now see one more clock. See children here. Here also the minute hand is at 9, but the hour hand is a little before 3. So we say that the time is quarter to 3 or 2 hours 45 minutes. Now let's learn AM and PM. AM means ante-meridiem and PM means post-meridiem. Children, your mother wakes up at 5 o'clock in the morning. आपकी मम्मी सुबह 5 o'clock पे उठती हैं. And you go out to play at 5 o'clock in the evening. और आप शाम को 5 o'clock पे खेलने जाते हो. It means the clock strikes 5 twice in a day. इसका मतलब क्लॉक दिन में 2 बार 5 o'clock बताती है. Yes, once in the morning and once in the evening. एक बार शाम को और एक बार सुबह. This is true because there are 24 hours in a day. Yes, क्योंकि one day में 24 hours होते हैं. The AM of the day starts after 12 o'clock midnight and ends at 12 o'clock midday. आपका AM का टाइम रात की 12 बजे से दोपहर के 12 बजे तक का होता है. And PM of the day start after 12 o'clock midday and continues till 12 o'clock midnight. आपका PM दोपहर के 12 बजे के बाद से रात के 12 बजे तक होता है. I hope you understood this topic very well. Now I want you to do the rest exercise at home. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care and bye-bye.